DJ Chloe, nakita nyo na rin po siguro yung viral tungkol sa babae na bagong panganak tapos yung asawa niya dumating sa ospital, may dalang take-out food. Akala mo sweet moment, 'di ba? Pero hindi. Hindi para sa kanya yung pagkain. Hindi para i-celebrate ang safe delivery. Hindi para sa inyo ni baby. Hindi. Kinain niyang mag-isa. And the worst part, sinabihan pa niya yung asawa niyang bagong nanganak. Ikaw, tapos ka na manganak. Ako wala pang tulog. Kakain muna ako ha. Chloe, para akong binuhusan ng malamig na tubig. Hindi ako yung babae sa video, pero ang sakit sa dibdib. I've never felt so second-hand humiliated and disappointed. I couldn't help but think, ganito ba talaga kababa ang tingin ng ibang lalaki sa sakripisyo ng babae? Yung asawa mo kakapanganak lang, kakabuwis buhay lang. Kakarating lang mula sa pinakamasakit, pinaka-traumatic at pinaka-critical na experience sa buhay niya at ang una mong naisip ay pagkain, fried chicken para sa sarili mo. Where is the compassion? Nasaan din ang common sense? At ang pinaka-importante, nasaan yung pagmamahal, nasaan yung pag-ibig. Yes, people made jokes about it online, may mga memes, meron ding mga reactions. But then beneath it all, or beneath all that, hindi ba dapat seryosohin ito? Because if the man you're married to doesn't even think about your needs after you bring life into this world, what does that say about how he sees you? DJ Chloe, gusto ko lang marinig ang opinyon mo. Hindi lang bilang babae pero bilang tao. Bakit parang hirap na hirap ang iba sa simpleng empathy? At kailan ba naging normal ang ganitong klase ng kakulangan sa malasakit? Letter sender, Grace. Hi Grace! Kumusta ka? Okay, let's start with one word. Aray. Ouch! Talaga naman, you know that video didn't just sting. It exposed something deeper than that fast food takeout. You know, it revealed a glaring absence of care in a moment that called for nothing but tenderness. Maging honest tayo, okay? Real talk. Childbirth is not just a moment. It is a battle. You bleed, you break, you rebuild, and when the person you love walks in, bringing food not for you, but only for himself, you know, it's not about the food It's about the message. Ang message doon, ako muna ha, ako muna. That's what it said. At sa isang relasyon, lalo na pagkatapos mo magluwal ng buhay, hindi ako muna ang gusto mong marinig, kundi tayo. Ikaw, kumusta ka? You know, to some it was funny. To others, it was just a hungry husband. Alam mo yon? But to many of us, it was a painful glimpse of how women's pain is often minimized, how their needs are neglected, even in the most sacred, vulnerable moments. You know, Grace, the lesson here isn't just about partners and post-delivery meals Hindi ito yon It's about the kind of emotional maturity and compassion that we should expect in a relationship. Kung hindi ka maaalala sa moment na halos nawala ang buhay mo para sa anak nyo, kailan pa? Ang pagmamahal hindi lang sa salita. Hindi lang sa malalaking gestures yan. Hindi lang sa big gestures yan. Makikita ito sa maliliit na bagay. Like, remembering to ask, kumain ka na ba? Especially when you just gave birth. And to the men who might be listening, hindi nyo naman kailangan maging perfect You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be present. Attuned to your partner's pain and needs. Hindi kailangan ng surprise bouquet, okay? Minsan isang simpleng alok ng pagkain na sabay kayong kakain, enough na yun Grace, ang puso mo ay may karapatan sa pagmamahal na marunong mag-alaga, marunong mag-aruga, hindi lang magsabi ng pagod din ako. Because you know what? Real love knows when to put others first or when to put the other first, okay? Especially when you just carried your child.
Hey, thanks for watching! For more exclusive videos and
Artist interviews,
you can check out our videos by clicking here. And don't forget to follow us
on our social media accounts too.
Links are in the description below.